Okay.
Smile for everybody because you're such a good girl. Talk to me.
There's a couple
Talk to me. Yes, talk to me. I love you. I love you, Alex. Talk to your Pippa. Say hello. I'm so glad you're here. Come on, Alex. Tell everybody. I'm happy that my Pippa's here. Come on, tell everybody I'm happy that my Pippa's here. Come on.
Yeah, right.
Come on. Say, I love you. I love you, Pippa. And I love you, Papa Jim. I love you, Papa Jim. Tell everybody that. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Say, hello, Aunt Pat and Fred and Mama and Papa. Say hello. Hello. And Rick and Lynn. And look at that head. You're trying to lift it up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Smile again for everybody. Tell everybody, hello. Hello. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're my little sweetheart. Yes. Yes, you are.
Okay. We're going to say goodbye now.
We'll send another one soon. Okay.